This is the Vintage Coach Chunky Case, style number 7165. I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 90s, and it's actually in the beautiful rare color purple. So it's a beautiful purple chunky case, and it comes with the matching two-sided hang tag. And it also has the Coach cartouche stamped on the front. So here's a zoomed out look at it again. Here's what the sides look like, and here's what the bottom looks like. And then here's the back. It looks the same as the front, but just without the Coach cartouche stamped in the lower corner. And then here's the top. It does have a zip closure up top. And then here's the interior of the bag, and it does have, as you can see, the little tick blue lining on the inside. So that's the beautiful purple chunky case, style number 7165. And I should also mention that all of the purple Vintage Coach bags are definitely rare, so this is a beautiful rare find. And it is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below just in case anyone wanted to look at it further. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of the chunky case, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.